How to load Signal prepaid kit. First, go to GCash app. Using GCash pala. Paano mag-load ng Signal prepaid kit using GCash? Go to Signal GCash app. Tap GCash. Balik mo na. Then, click load. Then, go to the non-telco option. Non-telco, then, check your number, GCash number, then, if okay na ang GCash number, click next. After that, select the Signal prepaid denomination of your choice. Example, Signal 175. Prepaid ang pili prepaid. Just select the prepaid signal. For example, Signal prepaid load 175, Signal prepaid load 200, Signal prepaid load 300. For example, 300. Then click buy now. Then after that, if sufficient na ang imong GCash, so click pay. And after that, naay mo message nimo from GCash regarding the PIN, signal PIN or verification code. Okay, so if ma-receive na nimong verification code, adto ka sa imong message. Message. Saan ba itong message? Okay, message. Then, for example, verification code 342. So, i-copy na nimo, copy verification code. Then, adto ka sa Signal web loading tool. So, adto ka sa Chrome or Google, type ka Signal web loading tool, then click tap web loading tool. Then, type nimo ang prepaid account number sa imong Signal. Then, i-paste nimo ang katong imong gi-copy nga verification code. Mga to siyang PIN nga gihatag from GCash. For example, kani. So, after na, imong i-type ang security image. Example, kani GD X Y I, capital I. So, after that, click submit. After nimo ma-submit, wait lang ka, after nimo submit, mo response na siya nga successfully na ang imong pag-load sa imong Signal prepaid kit. Then, after successful loading, mag-wait ra kag 5 to 10 minutes, musulod na dayon ang load.